Welcome once again to my channel. My name is Olutola. In this lesson I'll be working on polynomials, and I'll be working on this problem. I'll be solving this problem. It has to do with addition, subtraction, multiplication of polynomials. In my previous video lessons, if you can check the channel, you will see I've done division one time ago. And to start with, I'm going to start with the addition, and the addition here is the f1, the first function added to the second function. So what I'm going to do is very simple. I'm going to write the function as it was given. F1 is 2x cubed minus 3x squared minus 4x minus 1. So I'll write that here now. I have f1 is 2x cubed minus 3x squared minus 4x minus 1. I'm adding it to f2, and that's this. So I'm going to arrange it like we normally arrange addition in a normal whole problem, whole number addition. So I will (4x raised to power 3 minus 7x raised to power 2 minus 3x plus 8. So I'm going to add that up. So if I add that, that will be minus 1 plus. You need to remember your plus times plus here, which is plus, minus times minus, which is plus, and plus times minus, which is minus, and minus times plus, which is minus. So minus 1 plus 8 will give us plus 7, then minus 4x plus minus 3x will give us minus 7x, then minus 3x squared plus, plus times this minus will give us minus, and this will give us minus 10x squared. Then this, since they are both positive, will give us 6x cubed. So that's a very simple way of doing this. So I go to the second one now. The second one is f2, the second function, which is 4x cubed minus 7x squared minus 3x plus 8. Let me check to confirm if I have taken the right question. Okay, I think I'm correct. So then I bring in f1. F1 is 2x cubed minus 3x squared minus 4x minus 1, and we are subtracting here, so I'm going to put this here. Then I subtract positive 8 minus 1 will give me positive 9. 3 minus 4 will give me plus 1. but I will not write the 1. I'll write x minus 3 minus 4. That will give me plus 1. So I'll go on with this. This will give me minus 4x squared, and this will give me 2x cube, because this minus, this is plus 4, this is plus 4, this is minus 2. So that's my answer for the subtraction. Then I go to the third one now. The third one is multiplication, and you remember how we multiply. Let's say I want to multiply something like 20 or let's say 202 times 50 or 55. You know how we arrange this? 202 times 55. So that's how I'm going to arrange this also. So let's go. I write my I'm going to shift it to this side so that it will contain, I will have my f1 2x raised to power 3 minus 3x raised to power 2. Then I have minus 4x minus 1. I'm multiplying it by f3. F3 is just a quadratic expression. That's x2 minus 1. So I multiply it. A check. Let me check again on my questions. Okay, I'm good. So I still remember positive times positive here. I will use that here also. So if I start, I will multiply the first function by 1. So, and that will give me minus times minus will give me positive 1. Then this negative 4x times negative 1 will give me positive 4x. Then I multiply this again by this. I will have positive 3x squared. I multiply this by this. I will have negative 2x cube. So I'm done for this. Then I'm going to go for the other one again, and that's x squared. I'm going to multiply the whole lot of this with x squared, and you know it's positive. So this times this will give us x negative x squared, which will fall under this. I will put it under this negative x squared, and remember is 1. So I'll multiply this also with this, and that will give me negative 4x cube. Then I multiply this again with this. You know, this is negative, this is positive. That will give me negative 3x raised to power 4. Then I multiply this by this, and you know this is positive, so it will give me positive 2x raised to power 5. So I'll add these two up, and you know that will be a long one. So that will be plus 1 here. This will be plus 4x here. And this, you know, this is 1. Let me put the 1. So this will give me positive 2x squared. Then this, you know, positive times negative here will give me negative. So this will be negative 6x cube. Nothing is here, it's taken as 0. Here also 0. So this will just be brought down. So 2x raised to power 5. So I have multiplied. So I'll go with the last one. The last one is addition totally, addition of the first, second and third function. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the first function with the second function, then I will bring the third later. So the second is 4x cubed minus 7x squared minus 3x plus 8. So I add it together from this, since we add it up. So I add it, then I add this up. This will give me positive 7. This will give me negative 7x. This will give me 10x squared. This will give me 6x cubed. Then the third function, which is x squared minus 1, I'm going to put that here, and you know it's positive x squared because this x squared, then minus 1. Then I add it up. I will have this to be 6. Yes, this will be 6. This will be repeated because there's nothing here. And this will be negative 9x squared. This minus 10 positive plus 1. Then this will be 6x cubed. So I have added the 3 functions and I got this. Thank you for watching. Watch out for my next video. Please, I would like you to also subscribe. Thank you.